In this video, we're going to find the highest common factor of 16 and 24. Firstly, we are going to list all the factors of 16. This means writing out all the numbers that multiply together to give 16. Once we've done this, we then list all the factors of 24. Once we are confident we have listed all the factors, we are then going to rearrange them into ascending order. We then identify all the common factors between the two numbers. And from this, we can clearly see that 8 is the highest of those common factors. So in this example, 8 would be our highest common factor. If you'd like to learn how to do this on a calculator, click the link on the screen.